Hi guys, welcome back to another Pokémon UK video. Today, oh, excuse me, not getting everything everywhere, we wibble wobble. Right, yeah, today I've got a couple of tins, got a new style pencil case. You see some of my early videos, you'll see that I've opened up several of the older style ones. Which had the Evolving Skies and the Brilliant Stars and that. This one, yeah, if we look at the date, these are 2023, so yeah, so I'm expecting, well, they will be, I'm presuming they're going to be the Scarlet and Violet sets. What's in it, I'm not sure, we'll find out shortly. And we also have, yes, a new lunchbox tin. I think all kids would love these as a lunchbox, but yeah, the Pokemon chest, treasure chest, comes with 3 foil cards with Sprigatito, Fuecoco and Quaxleon. 6 TCG booster packs. It's showing on there, as you can see, Paldea Evolve, Scarlet and Violet. I think that's Silver Tempest and Brilliant Stars back there, but we'll see. They might be different. But yeah, anyway, I've not seen these. I saw them on the shelf the other day in the shop, so I thought I'd pick up a couple. Oh, who's that? Anyway, so yeah, looks quite a nice little tin. I have quite a few chests. None sealed, they're all open. But anyway, let's crack open the pencil case. Let's see what we got. Yeah, 2 packs of, one Scarlet and Violet, 1 Paldea Evolved. We are collecting both of these sets, I believe. Am I collecting both of these sets? I think we're doing both of these sets, I can't remember. But I know we're collecting the Paldea Evolved, I believe.
No, we've just decided on that one.
We've just decided we're doing the Paldea Evolved. Scarlet Violet, I believe. Anyway, let's start with the older one. So let's go for the Paldea Evolved. This lighting is not very brilliant. I do have to get myself one of these lighting rings that go around and shine on it. Oh, that was quite easy to open. White code card, but as we all know, in Scarlet and Violet mean diddly squits. So there is a code card for you guys. And I believe this back one's an energy. Yes, there you go, there's the energy. Have that. Well, you can have it if you want. I'll try and put it in here. No luck. Okay. Let's go. Staravia. Routes. Tandy Mouse. You little cutie mouses.
No.
Pokegear 3.0. Yes, I believe there was a Pokégear 2.0 in some of the early series, so we'll have to wait, see if there's a 4.0 come out at some point. Torkoil, Breloom, Kilowattrel, Medicham Reverse, Energy Search Reverse. Oh, we got a penny, full art. Very nice. I like the Pokemon t-shirt. Is that Pokemon or does that say Pac-Man? It looks more like Pac-Man, it says, but it's not. It is Pokemon, isn't it? So, you see with a Pokeball going on there. Is that Double next to her? Puddles? Who's that hiding there? Yes, very nice. So, I shall get that in the sleeve in a moment. So let's put that one back there, probably blend right into the background. So yeah, quite a nice little pull there from Scarlet and Violet. Let's get into the Paldea Evolved. So yeah, as you probably saw from the packaging, paid, is it obviously English pounds, £9.99. So a tenner for 2 packs and a nice tin. The tins are always come in handy. Very nice tins. So yeah, I think it's actually fairly good value. Yeah, the packs are, I believe these packs are going for £4.49, so around £9. So yeah, basically paying £1 for a tin, which is not bad. That'll sit in my collection, the tin will, with all my other tins. So, because I have quite a few. I will show you guys at one point my collection. So let's get going in here. Anyway, him, Strudel,
You cute Shulu. No.
Phalanx, Jigglypuff.
Jigglypoo.
Oh, Jigglypuff.
Jigglypoo.
And Faulkner.
I need to get 3 Jigglypuffs in.
A Savipa. A Pyroar. I believe I just saw something else shining at the back, but we'll wait till I get there. A Super Rod. A Wooper. Oh, the Super Rod was a reverse, the Wooper's a reverse, and, oh, yeah, no, it's just a hollow Bomber Snow. So, a hollow Bomber Snow, which is, as you know, 2 hollows, two reverses and a hollow as standard. And obviously, you get some better cards in every other pack. So anyway, they are the 2 packs of, well, one Scarlet and Violet and one Paldea Evolved from the Pencil Case tin. Pencil tin, it's not case, if it's a tin. What is this, a pencil case? Or is it just a tin?
It's a pencil tin.
Pencil tin? Yes. So anyway, that's that one. Let's see what goodies we get in here. Yes, this one, obviously a bit more. You get a bit more in it. So just shy of 36 good old English pounds. So let's crack this open without further ado. Yes, I think going back all them years ago, if I had something like this as my lunchbox at school, I'd have been pretty chuffed. But I think as a very youngster, I probably had a Superman one or a Spider-Man one. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's crack that open. What we got? Oh, there we go. There's a few Coco, Spiritato and Quaxley with a nice coin. And the coin is... It's that. There you go. So there's that. There's the 3 cards, 3 promo cards. And we get in here, we have 1 Paldea Evolved, 2 Paldea Evolved, Scarlet and Violets. I think it is going to be what it says. So it says on the front of the tin, Scarlet and Violets. Scarlet and Violets. No, it's 2 Silver Tempests. I think I would have preferred either Brilliant Stars or Crown Zenith. But, however, it's not bad. It's not bad. So what else do we get? It looks like we get some sticker sheets. Yeah, get some stickers. Oh, let's put that down for a second. Get a couple of sticker sheets. No, let's just, yeah, there is. There we go. There's 1, there's 2, oh, there's more. There's another sticker sheet. Another sticker sheet. And, oh, that's actually quite a cool one. One of the mini binders, mini folders. So, yeah, they're always nice to have. So I've actually got some like first edition Yu-Gi-Oh cards in one of these. So it came in handy. And those stickers, yes. So I have some of these tins in the past. They came with the notepads and the pens. And so anyway, we'll put that to one side for now. And I'm going to save the 2 Silver Tempest till last, because I like these and I still need some for my binder. So I should start with, I shall do 1 Scarlet, 1 Paldeer, 1 Scarlet, 1 Paldeer, and then Silver Tempest. Let's do that. Scarlet Violet, let's go, let's see what we got. So it is nice that these new packs, they're putting in some of the older pack, I'll say older packs, Silver Tempest. It's not exactly old, but anyway, cold card. But you know, the previous series. Yeah, energy card. And right, we got, which this is Silver Tempest, isn't it? Wiglets. Not Silver Tempest, Scarlet Violet, sorry. My mistake. Grievard. Mastiff. A Spupa. Spupa? He's a pretty weird little looking character. Puffra. You got Arven. Cacturn. We have the reverse Staravia, a reverse Shuppet into a King Gambit Hollow. Right, let's get Paldeer. This one feels light for some reason. Is it any thinner? No. Rather interesting, that one. Right, code card for you guys. Okay, come on. Energy for you guys, if you want it. There's a fighting one. Do you want it? No, okay. I'll stick it. Rookity. Which one's this? Oh, this Paldeer evolved again now, isn't it? So. Magnemite, Phalanx, a Combi, Artazon, a Paldean Taurus. Very nice, that would look nice as a nice hollow. Practice Studio. Makuhita. Sounds like a nice cocktail, that. Yes, please. I'll have a Makuhita. A Glimmet. And the hollow, or better, is a Wigglytuff. So we've got Wigglypuff on the normals, and now we have a Wigglytuff as a hollow. Yes. Wiggly.
Wigglytuff.
So, do we start collecting the Wigglies as well as the Jigglies?
Yes.
Wigglies and Jigglies. Right, what's next? That was a Paldeer, so next Scarlet and Violet. And code card, 1, 2, 3, see it? There you go. Come on. And energy, let's go water. Lightning. Right. Nimona. Nimona. Oh, that was a good shot. I didn't want it to do that, but hey. Let's move you back. And get it. Right. Lechonk. Flabibi. Growlithe. Total Scroll. Cyclosa. Vitality Band. Should be into the hollows now. Yep, Silly Cobra. Yeah, I don't know about being silly. It looks a bit intoxicated. A Riolu. I like Riolu. And a Dondozo, just a regular hollow. So, So far this tin's not really producing much, only the one big pool at the moment back there. See, that might change it. Powder. Come on, fingers. There we go. Brilliant. Code card. Bop. Right, energy. Let's have a guess. Lightning. No, fire. Lightning last time, wasn't it? So, yes. There's that cocktail again, the Makihita. So that's there. Yeah. Right, Magikarp. Slowpoke, going for a drink out the fountain. A Litleo, looking like he's up to no good again. A Knucklestack. Okay. A Calamitous Snowy Mountain. We're going to be visiting a snowy mountain next year. Mount Fuji, to be precise. Yes. Still on the countdown to Japan. We will be doing some videos from Pokemon centres, and quite possibly the Pokemon Cafe if we can get a seat in there. Yes, well, not just one Pokemon centre. We may be visiting several. Yeah, so there will be videos out. Talonflame. Pinnacle. And the final one from this pack is a Weevil Hollow. So yes, this bigger tin so far producing nothing. So yes, that just leaves 2 Silver Tempests. This one feels a bit heavier, so I'm going to go for that one first. And there we go. Up and round the front this time. So, gone. Ah, yes, I must remember it's pack trick on these. Silver Tempest. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's the energy. Gone back to the yellow borders now. Matang. Anarif. Unidentified fossil. Rufflet. A Fennekin. Durant. Emolga. A Beldum. A Phanpy reverse, and it was a white border, so Mount Zygarde. Right, final pack, Silver Tempest. Let's have a little look, see. Come on then. Right, oh, here we go. That's a good sign. Right, 1, 2, there's a bit of damage to the top of that one. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, we have the fire again. And Dracoloak, Matang, Anorith, Beldum again, Stunfisk, a Vulpix, come on, there we go, Vulpix, a Snorunt, a Fletchling, oh, there we go, look at that, full art Jinx, very nice. I don't know if I've pulled this one, so into, oh, it's a double banger. We have Serena. There we go. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. So, ending on to double pulls. Yes. I likey. That's quite a nice little card, that Jinx. And Serena. Waving purple. She looks like she's just gone and had her hair done. Now she's off. Yes. And they all look pretty good. Yeah. No, I can't see no scratches or anything to the front of that one. It looks pretty central, slightly off left to right. That one, that Jinx though, that looks pretty bang on. Look at the back. Oh, a little bit damaged that bottom corner by the looks of it. Can you see it there? Yeah. That may hold it back from the 10. Oh, there we go. So, let's grab the other one. There we go. So that one came from the pencil case. And out of the modern sets, in the bigger case, no pulls. But, from the near vintage, what am I on about? Silver Tempest gave me these two. So, not bad overall. I think that was a not bad little run there. I quite like them cards. So yeah, let me know what you thought, guys. If you want to see some more of these tins get opened up, leave a comment, let me know. And yeah, we'll go from there. Just keep you updated. Yeah, as I've said, we've got Japan coming up in, well, it's February, so still another 6 months away yet. Yeah, 6 months for that. I've got some more returns coming up soon, but there was only, I don't think there was many cards. It was either 3 or 4. I can't remember which now. So they'll come back soon. I say soon. Probably be another 3 or 4 weeks for them. And yes, so hopefully we'll get some more openings done soon. So anyway, for now, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment. Give us a thumbs up if you did. If you're not subscribed yet, it don't cost anything. Hit that subscribe button. It just helps us all in the Pokemon adventure. Anyway, that's it for now. So from Poke Queenie, who was in the background, and of course myself, Pokepunk UK, we are out.